What up, everybody? You already know it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom, the software king, aka the best in the business. So people always ask me about the softwares I use because I love using software. So I'm expressing that with you guys by teaching you a few things. And today, I'm going to show you something that I think no one really knows about. And I think it's the best way to generate leads directly from Instagram. I do it all the time. My niche is in the OF niche as of now, but software niche is also a niche that I'm going to be using because I use a lot of softwares to do what I do in my work. Been able to make over 6 figures online just by purely understanding the softwares that I use and putting them together. So let's talk about this product today. It's called Profile Mate, okay? If you're thinking about buying it and you're like, I don't know if I'm going to buy it, I'll buy that shit, okay? If you're going to use it and you're going to be someone who has to scrape from the beginning, you don't have thousands of dollars to spend on advertising, you need to generate leads from Instagram, this is the way to go. So basically, this is when you log in, this is what you get, and it's an install that you have to process, and it comes like here. I also bought the agency, so I give it away to people when they buy other products. It's like a giveaway, so I think it's amazing, so that they can actually generate leads and build businesses for themselves as well. All right, so let's just go straight into the software. So once you click on this little thing, this will pop up. You also have to be logged into the Instagram that you want to use. So I'm going to go down. We're going to do this. We're going to go find followers from somebody that we want to take from. I use the OnlyFans niche, so we're going to go to another page, and I'm going to go to OnlyFans, right? Because they have a page. They have a page, OnlyFans, boom, right? Because they have a page, what it can do is it's literally going to go down and it's going to start scraping username information. I suggest if you're first starting with an Instagram and if you're not very, very active, don't go through an extreme amount of followers because Instagram can tell that you're scraping the platform. So all I do is go through a couple thousand. So like this, boom, we got 2,000 here. Boom, I'm going to download what it is so far. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it because I don't want it to scrape my whole platform forever because Instagram's going to tell. But for you to get easy leads every single day, you could do it every other hour, but to make sure they don't catch up onto it. So bam, I go from there. I want their email information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I'm going to go to upload a file because I don't have Word on here, so I can't just do it on spreadsheet. But if you have a Windows and you have the spreadsheet thing on there, super simple that way. So I'm going to upload a file. Bam. I'm going to upload that. Oh, I think that's the wrong one. Either way, doesn't matter. Let's upload both of them. Let's get both of them there. Okay, and this one. Bam. Boom, 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 boom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. Let's go. I don't want to carry V1. I want the other one. So I want the OnlyFans Analytics, right? So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to literally scrub down here like this. Boom. Take all of it. Boom. I'm going to copy it. All right. I'm going to come back to this application. I'm going to put all the links in. Submit it. Boom. Right? You can do thousands of them. Right? I suggest you do them by small bits. What I want is I want the information. I'm going to submit it here. I'm going to name the list OnlyFans. Right? But it doesn't matter what niche you're in. Right? You can set it up. Bam. I was going to tell you the information I want. I really don't care about post count, bio. I don't really care about that. Boom. I don't really care about that. I want their email, maybe public zip code, phone number, bam, business account. I kind of want fan account because that matters with our size. Engagement, I'll take that. Fan count, cool, I'll take that. Follow me? No, I'll take follower account. Links, website, I'll take website. And I don't need location. So this is going to data. It's going to literally scrape from these users. It's going to give it to you. So if you have your email, you're going to have an email list. You're going to have phone numbers. You're going to have fan count. You're going to have engagement. It's going to give you all that. So what it's going to do is it's going to start scraping the platform. Hopefully we get a few different. It's going to tell you how many business accounts. And as it's doing it, boom, 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 just ripping through them. Boom, 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 boom. So when you're doing thousands, you end up with hundreds and hundreds of emails. Bam, it's telling me one email right there. Right, got one email. Went through 25 users. Right, this is a small batch. Usually I do bigger batches because I've done it so much, but I want to really show you the example of what this does through this process. Right, it's only going through 10 progress, boom, boom. Right, there's only 32 people who've gone through. Usually you can go through like 15,000, right, and you'll get hundreds and hundreds of emails through this process. But basically what it's doing is scraping for the live information that is already on the platform. So this is completely legal, guys. If you're looking at like, yo, to do this, this is the email that you'd have to go through every single person individually and find their emails to see if it mattered and to see if they have an email that you want to have. But I do it this way. I think it's just way more powerful this way. I get hella emails. I send out emails to creators and I get responses. And I built the whole business out of it. I made 6 figures just alone. This isn't the only tactic I use. I also do YouTube videos and stuff like that. But for me to get a hold of creators and for it to take less than a day for me to get a list and have some of my VAs be able to message them and stuff like that, cake money on that side. So you're looking for creators, bam, 2 emails, right? So I want to just kind of stop it because I don't want the video to be super long because it takes a little while to do it. And this is just scrapes. It scrapes all the videos. And you can literally stop it right here and have it download the information you're looking for. Still going through it. I might as well continue. I don't think you even stopped it. Yeah, whatever. So it breaks down. It ends up with getting the emails here. You can come here. You can literally download the data that you got from there. I go back to Drive. Click here. Let's upload the file. Boom. New file. OnlyFans data. Boom. And it's going to give me all the data. It's going to give me their name of their website, which also lets me know like what website they're using. If they're definitely on OnlyFans, see she's using the word OnlyFans. Look at this. ID numbers over here, fan count, email addresses here. Boom, I got this email address here. Boom, this email address here. Both for creators. Also got her phone number. So like all this information is just given to you. And you're able to use this for your data however you feel possible because this is all public information. And you're able to take these leads and use it. Then you'll know the fan count. You'll really see what kind of creator you want to kind of work with, where they're offering. Bam, she's there and it's telling me their engagement rate is 9.5. 13 right here. This is a high engagement rate but a low following count, right? So you're able to just basically look at what you'd have to go search one by one, and you don't have to do that. So, hey, if you're trying to get this software, I just showed you a full review of the software. I would click down below right now, and I would freaking get the software. I use it all the time. So, hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. I hope that gave you a pretty good review on how to get more leads from Instagram. Lego.